video for my YouTube channel. Hello everybody, good morning, good afternoon or good evening, depending where you're from. I'm Philippe and it's an absolute privilege to be able to share my passion with you of West Coast Swing. So this is going to be a first, it's going to be my videos for my YouTube channel, just to share some knowledge of West Coast Swing. And of course, there's not replaced classes or private lessons. Always seek the advice of your teacher, but here's some stuff I'd like to share with you. I also like to share a little bit of my experience. So I've been dancing West Coast Swing now for, believe it or not, about 10 years. And I love it. I'm really passionate about it. It's really made a big impact on my life. Met some amazing people through it and learned so much about myself, my body, how to move, and just so much great music, great experiences. So I just want to share some things with you. So you're invited to like and subscribe to this channel, and also to comment, and I'll see if I can help you with anything you have, any questions. And a bit more about me is that I've been dancing for 10 years. I'm from the UK. That's why I started learning West Coast Swing, and I've been to many events around Europe, taken workshops, classes, private lessons with so many amazing people, and have my own coach online as well. And lots of experience. I compete on the World Swing Dance Council circuit as well, but competing is not everything, of course. And really enjoy West Coast Swing. And so now to share with you now, we're going to do the foundations of West Coast Swing. So there is so much to take on to learn in West Coast Swing, which is why it's such a good dance. So I always like to tell people that don't worry that if you look up this hill, you see there's so much to learn. That's totally normal. That's what makes it fun and makes it last. It's what's going to make it last for years. It's because you've always got more and more things to learn. So that's really cool. So let's see, that's a good challenge. Enjoy the progress and the process. Don't just look at where you want to be. I would say enjoy the process, learning, be easy on yourself as you're learning new things and you realise you can't do stuff and then you're able to overcome it. So that's some advice I'd like to give to you. And also we're going to look now into some foundation concepts of West Coast Swing. So are you ready? So here we go. So something I'd like to let you know is that we can think of it as the followers moving from point A to point B, and that's a nice way to think about it. And the leader's job is to allow the follower to move from point A to B, to lead that. That's why it's lead and follow. So the lead happens and then there's a follow. So don't think about it moving at the same time. I would suggest you to think about for the leader to create that lead as both of you stretch away, and then the follower is moving to from A to point B as the leader is shaping that. Of course, as you progress in this dance, the lead and the follow start to influence each other and then swap roles and so on within the dance, but always with, of course, the leader having that main role leading, but the follower has amazing influence over that as well as we progress. So let's, for example, show the follower. So I'm the follower now, and I'm going to move from A to B. For example, I'm going to move left side pass. We're going to go number 1, and the 2, and the 3, and the 4, and the 5, and the 6 in this tight room. So I'm just going from A to B. Let's do it from this side as well. So now A and B have switched around, and the follower's going to go for the 1, and the 2, 3, and the 4, and the 5, and the 6. The leader's job is to create that lead. I'm now a leader. Let's go facing you actually. Follows over here. I'm now leading. I'm going to create some energy. I'm going to move out the way, allow the followers to pass on their way to B, and I'm going to do what's known as an anchor step. So I'll show you that one again. You're going to go in the 1, and the 2, 3, and the 4, and the 5, and the 6. So that's a nice little concept when you start to think about that, going from A to B. I think that really helped me when I learned about that, rather than just think about moves. What we're thinking is